Imagine you have launched a new product and you want to promote it to hundreds or even thousands of customers directly on WhatsApp. Sending the same promotional messages to every customer one by one will take a lot of time. But what if you could create one campaign and send your product promotion to all your selected customers at once? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Here I have taken this wireless earbuds product as an example, and I'm going to create a complete WhatsApp broadcast campaign for promoting this product. And this is not just going to be a normal text message. The customer will receive a proper promotional message directly on WhatsApp. That includes the product image, product details, special offers, and purchase link as well. So whether you want to promote a new product, special offer, festive sale, or limited time deal, you can create this type of campaign and reach all of your selected customers at once. And for creating and sending this complete broadcast campaign, I'm going to use broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process from creating the campaign to sending it live. So you can create the same type of WhatsApp automation for your own products. But before we creating our campaign, first let me quickly tell you about the tool that we are going to use in this tutorial, which is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that allows you to create broadcast campaigns, automated WhatsApp chatbots, AI-powered assistants, and much more, all without writing a single line of code. And the best part is you can start with Pabbly Chatflow free account and explore the platform before deciding whether it's right for you. So go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create your free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps here. I'm going in this Pabbly Chatflow, and it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, since today's tutorial is completely about promoting product, so we are going to use one of the most powerful feature available here, which is the broadcast feature. Now, what is this broadcast? See, so in simple words, the broadcast feature allows you to create one WhatsApp campaign and send it to multiple selected contacts at once. For example, I have launched this wireless earbuds product and I want to promote the offer to my contacts. I don't need to prepare and send the same promotional message separately to every single contact. Instead, I can create one broadcast campaign, select the audience I want to target, and send my promotional message through WhatsApp. And this is exactly why I personally prefer using the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow for these types of campaigns. I can manage the complete campaign from one place. So now that you know how the broadcast feature works and why we are using it, so let's create our wireless earbud promotional campaign live step by step. At first, click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcaster a name. I'll enter the name as special offer. Next, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message that I am selecting as leads list. See, this is the contact list that I have already created before inside my Pabbly Chatflow. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you need to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For adding in bulk, click on this option and upload the CSV file containing the contacts. Now, what is CSV file? So the CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. See this? So this is how the CSV file look like. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. Here I have added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number. After adding all the contacts, you need to click on this files option and download the file in a CSV format, because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this tool is. If you like this tool till now and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. For adding a bulk contacts, click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one file before, so I'm directly selecting this one and clicking on this insert button. After that, you need to click on this plus add contacts, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. And for creating a contact list, you need to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the lead list that I have selected here just for an example. Moving forward is the refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, with the help of this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part, that here you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send regular message by selecting the message type from here. See, a regular message is used when you already have an active conversation with the customer on WhatsApp. This means the customer has messaged you and their 24-hour conversation window is still active. Within this active window, you can send a regular message without selecting a pre-approved WhatsApp template. But if that 24-hour window has ended, then you cannot use regular message to start the conversation again. In that case, you need to use a pre-approved template message. Now, since we are creating a promotional broadcast for a wireless earbuds and we want to reach our selected contacts using an approved marketing message, that's why I'm going to select the message type as pre-approved template message here. After that, you need to click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template. I have already created this template before, so I'm directly choosing this one and uploading the image of the product as well. See, here it is uploaded, and this is the final look of the template that is going to be delivered to your customers. See, this is just an example of the promotional template that I am using in this tutorial. If you also want to create this type of attractive WhatsApp templates, simply go to the templates feature inside Pabbly Chatflow. From here, you can create and manage your WhatsApp message templates according to your campaign requirements. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the template that we are using in this tutorial. Once your template is created and approved by Meta, you can select it while creating your broadcast campaign. After selecting the templates, next we need to test our broadcast. So for that, I'm entering the test user in this contacts name field and my personal contact number here, just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number manually, I'll click on this send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the exact template on my WhatsApp. This confirms that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly because our template message has been successfully delivered on WhatsApp. Moving forward, here you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send these templates to all of your contacts that are present inside the list right now, then you will select this no send instantly option and click on this button. But I'm going to schedule this broadcast for later. So for that, I'm selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 31st of July at 3 p.m. See, on 31st of July at 3 p.m. this template means this offer is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. Just after successfully selecting the date and time, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your product update. As our broadcast message is scheduled it successfully, you can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. So this is how easily you can use the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow to promote your products to multiple customers through WhatsApp without sending the same messages manually one by one. So what are are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code NEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.